Hello, these tutorials learn how you can turn on Firewall on your Windows 11 machine. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Edmond Sakwade. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn on Windows 11 Firewall. So to start, to turn it on, in the search field, in the taskbar, type Control Panel, click on Control, window will pop up. Then click on Windows Defense Firewall. Then click on Turn on Firewall. Then untick Turn on Windows Defense Firewall. Then click OK. This will turn on your Windows 11 Firewall. Thank you. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video.